Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel जहां आप सीखते हैं simple and useful English conversations. In today's video, you'll watch a fun and realistic chat between two college students, Rahul and Riya. They're practicing English in a natural way, just like we speak in real life in India. इस conversation से आपको सीखने को मिलेगा आसान और सही सेंटेंस बनाना, डेली यूज होने वाले इंग्लिश वर्ड्स और कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ इंग्लिश बोलना. Hi Riya, how are you?
Hey Rahul, I'm good. Just feeling a bit tired. Had a lot of classes today. What about you?
Same here. Today was very hectic. We had a surprise quiz in physics.
Oh really? How did it go?
It was okay. I think I did well. But some questions were tricky.
I hate surprise tests. They give me anxiety.
Haha, same. But I had revised a bit last night, so it helped.
That's nice. I didn't study anything last night. I was binge watching that new web series.
Which one?
It's called Campus Diaries. It's about college life. Very relatable.
Sounds interesting. Maybe we can watch it together this weekend?
Yes, good idea. Let's plan something. Saturday evening?
Perfect. After college, I'll come to your place.
Done. By the way, did you finish your assignment for English?
Not yet. I've written half of it. Planning to complete it tonight.
Me too. Let's do a video call at 8 p.m. and finish it together?
Sure, that will be great. We can help each other.
Yes. Also, can you explain the essay part again? I got confused.
Of course. Mom said we have to write about our favorite festival and explain why we like it.
Oh okay, I think I'll write about Diwali. It's my favorite.
Nice choice. I'll write about Holi. It's so colorful and fun.
True. Do you remember that Holi party last year? It was so fun.
Yes, you threw colors on everyone. You were full pink by the end.
Haha yes, and you were running away from everyone.
I didn't want to get wet. Cold water in March is scary.
Big baby.
Excuse me, I was protecting myself.
Okay. So what did you have for lunch today?
Just some rajma chawal from the hostel mess. It was average.
I had aloo paratha. Mom packed it in the morning.
Lucky you. Homemade food is always the best.
Yes, I miss it when I stay in the hostel.
By the way, are you free tomorrow morning?
Yes, why?
Let's go to the library early. We can sit together and study for the maths test.
Great idea. Let's meet at 9 a.m.
Done. I'll bring my notes too.
Thanks Rahul. You always help me so much.
Of course. That's what boyfriends are for.
Hahaha. Okay, I should start making notes now. We'll call at 8 p.m.
Yes, don't forget. And bring water and snacks.
I will. You too. Bye Rahul.
Bye Riya. Take care.
Please subscribe, like and share this video with your friend.